In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up custom page size in Google Sheets. If you're printing on a square card, a half sheet, or any non-standard paper, Google Sheets lets you match that exact size so your content lands where you expect. The trick is that page size lives inside the print menu, not in the regular document settings, so we'll start there. Open your spreadsheet and go to File, then select Print. This opens the Print Settings sidebar along the right, with a live preview on the left. Think of this preview as your safety net. It shows you how your sheet will lay out on the page before you commit to paper or a PDF. In the sidebar, find the paper size dropdown. Scroll all the way down and choose Custom Size. You'll see boxes for width and height, and they're in inches. Type the exact dimensions of your paper. You can use decimals, so if your paper is 8.5 by 5.5 inches, enter those numbers precisely. If you're starting from metric measurements, a quick rule of thumb is that 1 inch equals 2.54 centimeters, so convert and enter the inch values here. As soon as you type, watch the preview on the left. It updates instantly to reflect the new shape, so you can confirm you entered width and height in the right order. If the page looks rotated or stretched, swap those two values to match how your paper will go into the printer. This preview also helps you check that important columns, headers, or charts aren't getting cut off. Once everything looks right, click Next. Google Sheets will prepare the document at the exact size you specified. From here, you can send it to your printer or choose to save it as a PDF, and the file will retain those custom dimensions, perfect for sharing with a print shop or archiving a final version. A couple of quick tips as you finish up. Measure your paper with a ruler for accuracy, and double-check your units so you don't accidentally shrink or oversize your layout. Also, keep an eye on the preview edges. If content is right up against the boundary, you may want to slightly adjust your sheet's layout before printing to avoid clipping. And that's it. Your custom size is ready to print or save.